Hey everybody, and welcome back to BB in the City. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Instead of looking at Logan Square's grand historic homes, I wanted to show you some of the places that made me stop and say, wait, what is that? From hidden homes to unexpected buildings, you never know what you'll find when you slow down and take a look. Come on, let's go for a walk. Okay, I have to show you this. When I turned down this little side street, this home immediately caught my eye. And honestly, it doesn't look like it even belongs here in Logan Square. It almost feels like it belongs in LA. What do you think? Come on, let's keep going on our walk. I actually found these by accident. After getting coffee, I turned down a street I'd never walked down before, and these two homes immediately caught my eye. Sometimes all it takes is taking a different route home. Come on, let's go for a walk. I've walked past this house plenty of times, but I've never seen the statue dressed like this before. When I first saw this building, I couldn't decide, was it an old church or wasn't it? Turns out it really was. It actually was St. James Lutheran Church. I love that you can still recognize the history by looking at the architecture and those tall arched windows. Come on, let's keep going on our walk. Sometimes all it takes is walking a few extra steps, because what's hiding around the back can be even better than the front. Come on, let's keep going on our walk. These condos are so unique. I'm surprised they haven't shown up in one of Chicago's TV series. Come on, let's keep going on our walk. Well, that's a wrap for today's walk through Logan Square. Now I'd love to hear from you. What stop was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed today's walk, don't forget to like and subscribe. And trust me, we're not done with Logan Square yet. I even have more hidden places to show you in part 2 next Sunday. Until then, I'm Beth. This is BB in the City, where every corner has a story.